Thank you for watching my video English for Perfection. Like and subscribe if you want to learn more.
Pinch. She put a pinch of salt on her food. Sift. Sift the flour finely before adding it to the mixture. Break. She is breaking an egg into a bowl. Knead. I knead the dough for the bread. Melt. The ice cream is melting. Peel. Please peel a potato for cooking. Roll out. Roll out the dough again into a rectangle. Spread. Please spread some butter on this slice of bread. Fry. She is frying a fish for dinner. Drain. I drain the pasta, then I share it out between two plates. Pour. Don't pour hot water into the glass, or it will crack. Mix. Mix the flour with some eggs. Mash. She is mashing the potatoes. Chop. I need to chop the tomatoes for the dish. Squeeze. Can you squeeze the lemon onto the fish? Slice. Would you like another slice of pizza? Grate. Grate the cheese into a mixing bowl. Sauté. Sauté the onion for 2 minutes. Boil. The water is boiling. Steam. The kettle was steaming on the stove. Grill. Grill the fish for 5 minutes on each side. Roast. She is roasting the chicken. Blend. Blend all the ingredients together. Bake. We are baking bread in the oven. Add. I like to add milk to my tea. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.